choice destinations.
When you enter the ship, you arrive on Deck 5, right in front of the Rising Tide Bar, where you continue onto the Royal Promenade, where guest services and shops, as well as the English bar, Sorrento's Pizza, and a few other things are located, such as the Cafe Promenade. Further down, you'll see the Vitality at Sea Spa and the walking track, along with the gym. You'll also see Starbucks and Boleros on the same deck. If you continue to the other end of the ship, you will arrive at the Amber Theater. The Amber Theater is stadium-style seating on both decks 5 and 4. This is where the show Mamma Mia is held. Don't forget to sign up to attend. Walking down the stairs from the theater, you will arrive on deck 4, which is where the Entertainment Palace is located. There is Blaze, which is an entertainment location where they will have live music and trivia. On the other side, you have the Comedy Live Club, where comedians perform throughout the week. You also have the Studio B ice skating rink, where they have shows as well as free skate. There's the non-smoking casino on that level as well. If you continue down the hallway to the Royal Casino, they have slot machines, full-size tables. One half is designated for non-smoking and the other half is smoking. There is a bar located inside the casino. And don't forget, if you do play in the casino, to use your SeaPass card so you earn points. Earning points can actually get you a free cruise and some other benefits, such as free drinks while in the casino. If you continue on through the casino, on the other side, you will run into the main dining room, which spans a couple of levels. You have early dining, late dining, and my time dining, followed by going up the stairs from there. You climb up to deck 6, where you overlook the promenade. You also have the schooner bar, the shore excursion desk, as well as the photo opportunities to be able to check out your pictures that you've taken. The shore excursion desk is there as well. If you go to the back of the ship, you enter the boardwalk area, where you have the carousel, the Scoops ice cream place, which is not included, it's an additional fee, the donut shop, which is open in the mornings. They just upgraded to add Playmakers bar and cafe, and the arcade as well. Across from that, you have the doghouse, which you can get sausages and hot dogs with all sorts of toppings. And if you just pass that, you'll end up what is now the new Ultimate Abyss Landing, previously Sabor. Off to your left, you have Johnny Rockets for some burgers and shakes. And at the very back, you have our favorite, the Aqua Theater. Definitely don't miss out on those. If you go behind the Aqua Theater stage, there's actually shuffleboard back there as well. You can choose to take the Rising Tide Bar from the Promenade up to Deck 8, which is where you'll enter Central Park, one of my favorite places on the ship. You enter from either side, and walking along, you can see all the fresh greenery, which are all actually live plants. They actually have an arborist on board who takes care of all the plants and the trees. You have 150 Central Park, which is a great specialty restaurant, along with Chops Grill. If you get to the center, make sure you don't miss the center placard on the bottom of the floor. Just past that, you have the Trellis Bar, which is a great place to hit on your way to dinner. You have the Park Cafe, which is where you can find breakfast and lunch options. They have breakfast sandwiches, they have bagels, they have salmon you can add to your bagels in the morning, some fresh fruit. There's also a coffee station there as well, so you don't have to go all the way down to the promenade. In the afternoons, you can get freshly carved sandwiches, roast beef usually, as well as some salads and soups. Definitely don't miss out on this opportunity. From here, let's go up to deck 15. At the aft of the ship is where all the fun is at. You have the sports court where they have basketball and pickleball and tennis opportunities. They have the dunes mini golf option. Free to play, no extra charges. You can go whenever you'd like. The clubs and balls are always there for you. They have zip lining, if that's on your bucket list to do. Zip lining on a ship, I definitely recommend it. It's pretty fast and you're over the boardwalk area, so if you're down at the boardwalk and look up, you'll see some people zip lining across the way. If the excitement is a little too much for you, you can head out to the Wipeout bar right on that deck. They have the flow rider where you can also do surfing and boogie boarding. Just past all the water fun, you can actually head to the Fuel Teen area, the living room, and the arcade. Set up just specifically for teens. They have all sorts of outdoor games such as cornhole. You have ping pong. They have a nice area where they can play video games, just hang out with their cool friends. They even have their own little mini bar where they can make shakes and such. When you head into the rest of the kids club, you actually go into a giant circle where there's little rooms off of each one based off of the kids' ages. They have the Royal Tots area, which is set for the babies and toddlers. They have play mats. They have all sorts of things that the young ones can take. Adventure Theater, which is set up for kids and families to both attend. They split up all the kids based off of their ages, and their rooms are set up appropriately. Imagination Studio is where they can do some crafts that they can take home with them. They also have a science lab where they do all sorts of different experiments. Moving on to the outdoor sports pool and H2O zone, they have a nice splash area with some hot tubs, live music, and for us adults, we can head to the masked bar. Be sure to make friends with your bartenders. If you continue to the front of the ship, you can head to the adults-only solarium area, where there's the Solarium Bistro, small little mini buffet. They have the adults-only plunge pool, and it's also has 2 decks. Going up to the top deck, you get to go to the solarium bar. And if you continue inside, you can hit the Crown Lounge. Some other great fun things on board if you wanted to check out what the soda vending looks like. You have options of Coca-Cola products and flavor shots. Each day they change the day in the elevator to let you know what day of the week it is, since you're on vacation and you might forget. Hit up some of the specialty restaurants such as Azumi, where you can get sushi and attend a hibachi dinner. Like I said, they updated this ship shortly after I went on to include the new Ultimate Abyss, which is on other Oasis-class ships. Feel free to reach out to Julie at 508-380-9200 or wishesandDreamsDestinations@gmail.com to book your ship today.